Hello everyone, we are team Waves of Developments from DAV Police Public School, Fatehbad, and our project is titled Smart Fertilization and Auto Irrigation System. In India, many farmers still depend on traditional irrigation methods and manual fertilizer applications. This leads to wastage of water, overuse of fertilizers, and reduced crop productivity. To achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat 2047, we need smart agricultural solutions that save water and protect soil. This idea uses technology to make farming advanced, precise, and sustainable.
It is a system that allows a farmer to control both water and fertilizers through a mobile app, making sure that the right amount of fertilizers and exact quantity of water are supplied when needed. Our system is an IoT-based fertilization unit controlled through a mobile app. As shown in the diagram, the setup includes as shown in the diagram, this setup includes an ESP32 microcontroller, a soil moisture sensor to measure soil wetness, and a mini water pump and solenoid valve to control irrigation, a peristaltic pump for fertilizer dosing, and optionally an EC sensor to monitor fertilizer concentration. The controller collects data from sensors and sends it to the mobile app. Based on the readings, it automatically controls water and fertilizer flow.
Here's how our smart village system works step by step. First, soil moisture sensor. It detects the soil wetness in the fields. Second, when the moisture drops below a fixed level, the controller automatically turn on the water pumps. Third, simultaneously the fertilizer dosing pumps add a precise quantity of fertilizer in the field according to the crop type. Fourth, EC sensor ensure fertilizer concentration remain within a safe range. Fifth, all this information, moisture, water use, fertilizer added, is displayed live on the mobile app. The system can also work in manual mode, where farmer can automatically start on and turn off the pump directly with the app.
Our mobile app interface is designed to be simple and farmer friendly. It shows real-time soil moisture readings, water and fertilizer tank levels, buttons to start or stop irrigations, auto mode settings for threshold and schedule. The app also gives alerts for low tank levels or pump errors. This digital monitoring helps farmers make data-driven decisions and avoid resource wastage.
Our smart fertilization and auto irrigation system provides precise fertilizers use, water conservation up to 40%, improved crop yield and soil health, low cost technology accessible to small farmers. In the future, we plan to add solar power, weather predictions, and SMS alerts for wider use in rural areas. This project supports the plan of Viksit Bharat, a future of technology empowers every farmer.
Smart farming, smart